So today we're going to talk about the Great Depression and a few key concepts that go along with it. So the first concept is the stock market crash of 1929, Herbert Hoover, the election of 1932, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, fireside chats, the New Deal, and along with the New Deal, the CCC, the WPA, the AA, and Social Security, as well as penny auctions. So to kick it off, we're going to talk a little about the stock market crash. So we're going to watch this quick little video to give you an idea of what was happening. The crash happened in October 1929, and this signaled the beginning of the Great Depression. And if you just follow, you can see a couple films. Everyone was selling here, but no one was buying. Banks eventually were forced to close because they ran out of money. And we're going to go back to the presentation now. So, we're going to talk a little bit about Herbert Hoover, who was the president during the beginning of the Great Depression. He was elected in 1928 from the Republican Party, and he ran again for re-election in 1932, but he was beaten by FDR. A fun fact about Herbert Hoover was that he was the first president born west of the Mississippi. And with that, we conclude our presentation, and we'll talk more about it again.